Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a Dawn Eyes Cosmetics tutorial today using one of their premium premiums 2 shadows. I'm actually using Heavenly today, which is indeed heavenly. I can't stop looking at my eyes in the mirror. So freaking awesome. Like, I don't even know if you guys can tell. But yeah, it's a multi-chrome shadow if you haven't heard of Dawn Eyes. She's got 2 sets of them. The first set has like 7 premiums, and then the second set that just came out has 5. So yeah, let's get right on into it. Okay, so the first color I'm going to go into is Fran. And then I'm gonna go into Analog, and then from there I'm going to go into this red shade, which is called Destroyer. And all of those are going in my crease from lightest to darkest. So I'm also going to bring the yellow shade on the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go into the Dawn Eyes Cosmetics shade in Heavenly. I am in love with this shadow. I'm going to foil it too. Like that, and then I'm going to take the back of the brush that's still dry and just put dry pigment over it just to make it even more bam in your face. Okay, now we are going to fix the deeper part of the crease and finish blending that out. So I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to dip in the shade called Rewind, which is like a maroon shade, and ever so lightly just stick that in between the crease shades and Heavenly. I'm not going to bring it up too high on the crease, because I don't want it to cover up those crease shadows. But I do want to give it some depth, so I'm also going to bring it on the lower lash line. That's now for the fun part, blending. I'm going to take I don't even know what this is called. I know it's crease brush, but it's like really dense and small. So I'm going to blend out that Rewind shade. Bring it up just a little bit. I'm going to go into this skin tone color shade called Molder. Use that as my brow highlight, and going to blend out the crease shades, or blend out that harsh line from the crease shades. Okay, then I'm going to go back with the brush that I used for those crease shades and just kind of bring them back a little bit. Now that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm just going to do mascara and eyeliner, and then I will come back and show you the finished results. Okay, so this is the final results of the rest of my face. I used Notoriously Morbid's Chamber for my contour, Astrology for blush, a highlighter that is not available from them called Summer Court. The lips are notoriously more of a Gnostic. And yeah, so I'm just going to zoom in so I can show you this crazy multi-chrome effect of Heavenly. See how it's just like a red and then like a gold and then like a green coppery color. Holy shit, you guys. It's freaking amazing. Absolutely love this color. So that's pretty much it for this little mini tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all soon.